Put your trust in us and we'll be champions.
Hi, my name is Deepthi. I am studying 2nd grade A section. Today I am gonna explain about my school. This is my school. My school name is Marg Vidyalaya. They are my teachers. My teachers helps to make crafts and helps in drawing also. I love my teachers. We celebrate all our national functions and festivals at my school. This is my playground. When we are free, we will play in this playground. My school conducts Science Expo every year. This is my classroom. My school conducts PT classes once a week. This is me and they are my friends. My school has a computer lab and a big auditorium. I have many friends at my school where we study and play together. I love to go school because I learn new things every day. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.
நான் தமிழ் இலக்கணத்தில் உள்ள இரு பொருள் தரும் சொற்கள் சிலவற்றை கூறுகிறேன். ஆறு, என் நதி, பட்டம், சான்றிதழ், காற்றாடி, கொடி, செடி வகை, தேசிய கொடி, படி, படித்தல், மாடிப்படி, ஆடு, நடனம், விலங்கு, மனம், திருமணம், நறுமணம், நகை அணிகலன் புன்னகை கல் பாவை கல்வி நூல் புத்தகம் பருத்தி நூல் ஞாயிறு சூரியன் கிழமை நன்றி வணக்கம்.
Good evening. My name is Jotam. Today I am talk about COVID-19. COVID-19 disease. Disease is infectious disease caused by newly discovered virus called coronavirus. This can be transmitted from one person to another person. Symptom of coronavirus: fever, dry cough, headache and tiredness. This is symptom of coronavirus. Now I am show picture of coronavirus. This is called coronavirus. Next, how can we prevent the coronavirus? Next, you wear your mask. We'll go out. Next, maintains the social distancing. Next, wash your hands using water and soap. This is about coronavirus. Thank you. Hi, I am Raghavashini. I am going to tell about pit position. Pit position shows position of an object. Pit position: on, in, on, under, between, behind, near, etc. Ball is in the basket. Ball is on the table. Ball is under the table. Dog is sitting. Between trees. Boy is standing. BEXIND. Behind tree. Ball is near the table. Time. about working model of lungs. Parts of lungs: trachea, bronchi, 2 lungs. I used 1 water bottle, 2 straw, 3 balloons. I push this balloon, air goes inside and 2 balloons will expand. Breathe in, breathe out. Thank you. Hi, my name is Sudiksha. I am studying 2nd standard in Mount Vidyalaya. I am going to tell about types of transport. Road transport, water transport, air transport, rail transport. Transport use move one place to another place. Road transport. Road transport use transport people, goods, animals via land. Example: car, bike, bus. Water transport. Water transport use transport. Water transport use transport people, goods, animal. Via water. To move. We can also use water transport to move island. Example: ship, boat. Air transport. Air transport use transport. Air transport use transport people, goods, animals. Extra via air. Via earth. Very quickly we can save time, which is more costly compared to another transports. Example: helicopter, aeroplane. Flight transport use transport people, goods, animals, etc. Via rail track. We can travel more people in train, which is cheap in cost. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Christopher. I am studying 3rd standard. I am going to tell about the formation of shadow. When the sunlight during early morning and late early evening, sun position is lower, that time we get long shadow. When the sun reaches top position, we get short length shadow. When the sun reaches over head of object, that time we cannot see the shadow. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Potri Kunijan. I say about the system of the body. Digestive system. Circulatory system. Respiratory system. Skeletal system.
nervous system. Thank you.
Some examples of noun. This pen belongs to Preeti. Pen and Preeti are noun. Pen is common noun. Preeti is proper noun. We are going to Australia next month. Australia and month are noun. Australia proper noun. Month common noun. My mother lost the bunch of key. Mother, bunch and keys are noun. Mother common noun. Bunch collective noun. Key common noun. The plastic table is very steady. Plastic table steady are noun. Plastic material noun. Table common noun. Steady abstract noun. The chair are made of wood. Chair and wood is noun. Chair common noun. Wood material noun.
Miss Vedanta. I'm going to explain about time. Now, here I have a clock which I made. There are two types of clocks. One is analog clock and the other one is digital clock. The analog clock has a minute hand, hour hand and second hand. But a digital clock does not have minute hand, hour hand and second hand. It shows only number. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 1 second means 1 billion nanoseconds. Now let us see how analog clock works. When the second hand moves 1 round, the minute hand moves 1 minute. The hour hand is in 4. When I spin 1 round the minute hand, it moves to 5. Let us see how it's moving. Now I spin 1 round the minute hand, it came to 5. This is how the analog clock works. The hour hand moves 1 round in 12 hands. The minute hand moves 1 round in an hour. The second hand moves 1 round in a minute. This is how the clock works. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Sainira from 6th grade. I am going to tell about to observe the presence of dust particle in air. The dust particle is always present in air. In a dark room on the torchlight, and you can see some small dots on that is dust particle. So in this experiment, you can see that the dust particle is always present in air. The harmful dust particle is known as pollution. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Sri Lakshmi from Marg Vidyalaya 8th grade. Let's discuss about an interesting topic today. Do you know what are cells? Let me explain you about it. Cells are the basic building blocks of every organism living on earth. Unicellular organisms are single-celled organisms, and multicellular organisms like humans, plants and animals are formed by millions of cells. Plant cell and animal cell share the same components, but than animal cell, plant cell contains 3 more extra parts. They are the central large vacuole, this white color place, chloroplast, and the cell wall. So now let's start learning about the plant cell and its parts. The small white colored dots are known as the ribosomes. The yellow colored dots here are known as the Golgi vessels. The smooth blue color line here are known as the smooth ER, which has no ribosomes in them, and the rough blue color line after this are known as the rough ER. They are known as endoplasmic reticulum. This large white color space is known as large central vacuole. The small purple color oval is the starch grain, which are known as hemiplast. And these are the cytoplasm. This is the mitochondrium. This blue color round is the Druce crystal, and the yellow color one is the chloroplast. And these brown color lines are the vacuole membrane. The single rod over here is the Raphet crystal, and the 4 lines over here are known as the Golgi apparatus. And this white smudged area is the cell membrane, and the dark green part over this cell is the cell wall. Pink color oval containing a purple colored dot is the nucleus. Now let's see the parts in an animal cell. This is the nucleus. Following, there is a blue line which is smooth, which are known as the smooth ER. They have no ribosomes, and these are known as the rough ER, which are known as endoplasmic reticulum. White colored dots are ribosomes, and the purple color one are known as the centrioles. These are the microtubes, and the outer line is known as the plasma or cell membrane. And this white opening is known as the pineatic vessel, and this round green color one is known as the lysium, and this one is the mitochondria. So these are the parts of a plant cell and an animal cell. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ishantika of grade 6 from Mark Vidyalaya. My project is about wind turbine.
How it produces electricity. A wind turbine converts the wind energy fallen onto turbine into electricity, and which can then be used as a power for electrical equipment through power lines. In some places, they use that electricity directly to the power equipments. In some places, they store the electricity generated in battery and transmit then to the power lines. Thank you.
Let's see how it works. When the air hits the turbine, the generator spins and produces electricity. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dashani from 6th grade. Today I am going to tell about getting to know plants. Desert plants, mountain plants, herbs, shrubs, climber, creeper, taproot, fibrous root. Plants have our important parts: roots, stem, leaves and flowers. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and the plant from leaf. The stem forms the main axis of the plant. Body, and it bears leaves, bud, flowers and seeds. The stem conducts water and minerals from the soil. Water and minerals dissolved in it from the root to the rest of the plant body. Desert plants thrive in hot, arid environments where they can survive in minimal rainfall. Many of the trees and shrubs in mountain areas are evergreen. This means that the leaves or needles stay green near ground. That turn unlike trees with leaves that turn colors and fall to the ground. Thanks.
Hi ma'am, my name is Tanshika. I am first standard C section. I am telling about parts of our body.